square root of 121. Okay, first I'm going to rewrite radical as an exponential form. So I have 121 to power 1/2. I'm supposed to ask myself, what number raised to power 2, okay, always the denominator, is going to give me 121. Okay, 11 raised to the second power gives me 121. And I have 1/2 outside of the parentheses. Because I have fraction outside of the parentheses, I'm going to have also fraction inside of the parentheses. Remember, anytime we multiply fractions, in this case we have to multiply these two exponents. I have to multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with the denominator. So that's why I'm going to have 11, 2 over 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 11 to the first power is equal 11. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the second example. Now, I have square root of 32. You're supposed to ask yourself, what number raised to the second power is going to give me 32? I do not have whole number which is going to raise to second power is going to give me 32. That's why I'm going to use the properties of radicals, and I'm going to rewrite this problem as a square root of 16 times 2. Okay? Remember, I can rewrite this as square root of 16 times square root of 2. Now, square root of 16 is equal 4. So I have 4 times square root of 2 is 4 square root of 2. This is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this example. I have to ask myself, what number raised to the second power is going to give me 24? I do not have whole number which is going to be raised to the second power is going to give me 24. That's why I'm going to use 4 times 6. Okay? 4 times 6 is equal to 24. And I'm going to use properties of radicals. I'm going to write square root of 4 times square root of 6. Square root of 4, we have learned, is equal 2. I cannot do anything with square root of 6, just copy this down, square root of 6. The solution to my problem. Let's take a look at the fourth example. I have minus square root of 27. I do not have any whole number which is raised to the second power would give me 27. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to rewrite 27 as a product, remember negative, right? Product of two numbers, which one of them is going to be perfect square. Okay? So in this case, I'm going to have 9, which is my perfect square, times 3. This is equal negative square root of 9 times square root of 3. Square root of 9 is 3 because 3 to the second power gives me 9. So I'm going to have minus 3 square root of 3. And this is the solution to my problem.